If the police come to your house after a shoplifting incident, it's essential to remain calm and handle the situation appropriately. Here are some general guidelines to follow. Stay calm. Take a deep breath and try to remain composed. Panicking or becoming defensive may escalate the situation. Cooperate. Be cooperative with the police officers. Answer their questions truthfully and provide any information they request. Ask for identification. Politely ask the officers for their identification to ensure they are legitimate law enforcement officials. Know your rights. You have the right to remain silent. You can choose not to answer any questions without a lawyer present. If you're unsure about anything, it's generally a good idea to consult with a legal professional. Don't resist arrest. If the police inform you that you are under arrest, comply peacefully. Resisting arrest can lead to additional charges. Request legal representation. If you are taken into custody or questioned, it's within your rights to request legal representation. You may want to consult with an attorney before providing any statements. Keep track of the situation. Take note of the officers' names, badge numbers, and any other relevant details. This information can be valuable later. Remain silent. It's generally advisable to exercise your right to remain silent until you've consulted with legal counsel. Anything you say can be used against you. Contact a lawyer. Once the situation is under control, contact a lawyer as soon as possible. A legal professional can provide guidance on how to proceed and protect your rights.
Larceny against a retail establishment, as opposed to larceny against a person. Generally, the crime of shoplifting entails the willful concealment or taking of items owned by the retail establishment with the intent to deprive the store or other owner of them permanently.